Our eCOA Plus platform takes the deployment of eCOA off the critical path. We enable that deployment through the use of AI and intelligent automation, significantly driving down the timeline it takes to deploy the study. My name is Colin Weller. I'm the VP and General Manager for Digital Outcomes and Evidence Platform here at Medable. I've been in the clinical trial industry for over 20 years, worked across a number of large pharma and large biotech companies, and my primary focus has been to improve the way data is collected across clinical trials and to improve the patient experience. So Medable's eCOA Plus platform is made up of ePRO, eClinRO, eObsRO, and ePerfO. Contains an expandable library of over 300 pre-built validated scales and instruments. Our library has undergone scientific review, follows industry best practices, has been author-reviewed, pre-validated, and is ready for deployment into your trials. And on top of eCOA, that includes digital physiological measures, such as those collected from sensors and wearables directly from the patient. What this platform then enables is a much truer and more granular picture of the patient experience within the clinical trial. We call the platform eCOA Plus because it's the same system for all of our capabilities, including e-consent, telemedicine, and sensor data as well. The beauty of the Medable eCOA Plus platform is that it provides empirical data directly collected from the patient, including subjective and objective responses that can be then analysed and data insights can be drawn centrally in real time. eCOA deployment has had typically extended timelines in terms of study startup. We've typically had to make compromises such as starting the eCOA build from a draft protocol before elements such as countries or languages have been determined. That adds huge operational risk, and taking the eCOA development off the critical path enables you to de-risk the study startup. Standard deployment for Medable eCOA Plus is now 8 weeks, and that significantly reduces the industry standard 14 to 16 weeks that we've seen for many years. We enable that deployment through the use of AI and intelligent automation to drive task and workflow orchestration across the configuration, testing, and validation parts of the study startup. So what makes Medable different to other offerings? It's hard to talk about eCOA as a silo. The value and the differentiation for Medable is that everything's in the same platform. Everything's collected through a single data format and data structure, CDISC or USDM, and therefore, whatever your needs of the trial, and even the program more broadly, all of the evidence is collected in the same way in the same place. Higher quality data and delivery are driven by that standardization, which reduces the natural variation or human error between study startups. Improved data quality is also driven by our consumer-grade experience for both patients and sites within our platform. We can use notifications, reminders, and simply ease of use to drive compliance and engagement, which again ultimately drives up the quality of the data set at the end of the study. eCOA Plus is the foundational building blocks of what we're describing as an evidence platform. As we move forward and add different data streams such as labs, imaging data, EHR data, and real-world evidence to that platform, the depth of the data insights that we're able to ascertain from that data increase all of the time. So what really excites me about the work here at Medable is the opportunity to impact and disrupt the stubborn 12-year drug development cycle that we've seen for many years. Collectively, we're failing patients if we can't reduce those timelines to bring new medicines through to patients. We're now starting to see real traction on those timelines with the approaches we're taking here at Medable, and specifically around the evidence generation platform that we're building. The study startup cycle is tumbling, and we predict that will continue through 2024 and beyond. eCOA Plus is very much the now, but what we're really excited about is the future of the evidence platform as we build it going forwards.